For more than a century, Imperial College has been setting internationally recognized benchmarks for education and research. And now, in partnership with investors Verida, they are set to bring a new vitality to the regeneration of the White City area of West London. Welcome to Imperial West. It's a place where students, academics and industry partners can collaborate to translate knowledge and expertise into solutions which enhance the world in which we live. This project, the Imperial West Research and Translation Hub, will act as an incubator for initiatives and opportunities that will foster a culture of research and innovation electric with ideas. The two new blocks known as Block C, the Research Centre, and Block D, the Translation Hub, will form the centrepiece of the whole development. Laing O'Rourke relishes the opportunity to demonstrate their own innovation and unique approach in building the Research and Translation Hub. At the heart of their offering is the ability to construct the building off-site and bring it into location with the minimum of fuss and disruption. The site at 80 Woodlands is bounded by the elevated A40 Westway to the south, the new Wood Lane Studios student accommodation to the north, the existing Network Rail electrified railway to the east, and Wood Lane to the west. Laing O'Rourke will take over the existing hoardings and modify the shared site access and egress to maintain a clear route for the residents of Wood Lane Studios. They will also implement their own security policy, which will see the installation of manned entry gates with their dedicated client liaison manager stationed nearby. Pedestrian access will be controlled by the use of the Aurora Face Recognition System, which will record and monitor site staff and visitors. The planned location of the utilities and services will be amalgamated into a single common services trench, which will be coordinated to reduce the potential disruption caused by individual providers. After site preparation, the site welfare and offices will be located to the northwest of the site and the haul roads formed. A piling mat will be laid to allow the construction of the secant piled wall along the east perimeter, and a sheet piled wall to the south and west perimeter to provide a water barrier and permit the safe bulk excavation down to the B1 formation level. Ground anchors will be installed to the retaining wall to ensure a safe and secure work area. As Blocks C and D share the same basement at level 1, the main piling works will commence from this reduced level, followed by the sequential removal of the piling mat and the commencement of the bulk excavation for Block C, after which the construction of the remaining pile caps, tower crane foundations and basement slabs can proceed. Laing O'Rourke will utilise their successful juggler system for site deliveries. 4 luffing jib tower cranes, positioned to ensure there is no oversail of the railway, student accommodation or the adjacent westway, will be built from the lower level to serve the building and to offload deliveries and assist distribution around the site. A lightweight privacy screen will be erected from the floor slabs in front of Block C to ensure that the students in Wood Lane Studios are not overlooked by the construction process. Using Laing O'Rourke's extensive capability for off-site manufacturing and tried and tested DFMA products, the team will construct the columns, walls and twin wall cores using precast concrete components, digitally engineered and built at their facility in Nottinghamshire. The floors will be constructed using lattice planks supported on gas tables with an in-situ topping, requiring minimum supports and removing the need for traditional formwork. The panels are delivered to site and lifted into position. Mission Zero, launched in October 2010, is Laing O'Rourke's own in-house safety program. Put in simple terms, its duty is to create a workplace that does not merely rely on the safety processes to prevent injury, but holds the prevention of all incidents and injuries as a core value. Laing has delivered many live buildings and knows that being flexible and considerate is a prerequisite. They have the team in place that can deliver this project in a safe and expedient manner with minimal disturbance to the student housing and the local community. Laing is both highly qualified and proud to be involved with the project, and they are fully committed to delivering Verida's vision for Imperial West in a safe and timely manner.